How to set Wi-Fi calling to Wi-Fi or mobile network preferred on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connection, you will see second option is Wi-Fi calling. Click on Wi-Fi calling and you will see calling preferences here. Click on calling preference. If you want to set calling preference to mobile network preferred, click on mobile network preferred. You will see calling preferences set on mobile network preferred. If you want to set Wi-Fi preferred, click on Wi-Fi preferred. You will see calling preferences set on Wi-Fi preferred. So you will select Wi-Fi preferred and mobile network preferred from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set Wi-Fi calling to Wi-Fi or mobile network preferred on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.